Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Liberty 3 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily pair them with your application. At first you have to open your application, and here, as you can see, we can log in or sign up, but we don't have to do this, so we have to hit skip. Here we have to hit allow button, and as you can see, device found, Liberty 3 Pro headphones. We have to tap connect, and here we can select earrings and ear tips. For us it will be M2 and M2. So we have to wear them and take them on our headphones. This is a tutorial for installing ear tips and earrings, correct wearing position, touch operation instructions, and we have to hit got it. That's it, hope it helps you, bye!